Hello world. Thanks for checking out this quick tutorial on the Envision Blockchain Watch Tower Report. Envision Blockchain is a blockchain ledger agnostic systems integrator. Our mission is to reshape and align today's enterprise systems, allowing organizations to recognize the new value in tomorrow's industry vertical solutions. During our customer engagements, one of the most commonly asked questions when implementing a blockchain solution is, how can we provide visibility in what is happening across the blockchain network? In that case, Envision Blockchain would develop a query of specific activity within a blockchain ledger and send those results to a user interface or web app. In the event your organization decided to leverage the Microsoft Azure Blockchain Workbench to develop out your blockchain proof of concept, we have developed out a solution to visualize your blockchain activity using Microsoft Power BI. Thanks to Power BI, you can visualize your blockchain activity across any device, desktop or mobile. So when you open up the solution, you'll find 4 screens. On the first screen, you can see some information on Envision Blockchain Solutions along with a link to our website. On the second screen, you will find instructions on how to use this blockchain reporting solution. The Envision Watch Tower Report provides a quick way to view enabled applications deployed to the Microsoft Azure Blockchain Workbench. Just remember that disabled applications are omitted from this report. Deployed smart contracts, smart contract state history, smart contract action history, and a blockchain explorer. Also remember that blocks with no transactions are omitted from this report. You will also find a glossary of terms that are used throughout this report. On the third screen, you will see the main Envision Blockchain Watchtower report. Where it says blockchain application name, those are decentralized applications, or dApps, that are enabled in your Microsoft Azure Blockchain Workbench environment. Those are your blockchain applications. In this case, we have 3. A coffee application that demos the supply chain logistics of coffee being cultivated and transported while ingesting specific IoT telemetry. An invoice reconciliation application that demos the creation of POs and the settling of end-of-month financial reconciliation across multiple offices. And also we have a supply chain transportation application that demonstrates the transfer of a bill of lading across multiple parties. Let's dive into the coffee application for this example. The total smart contracts window displays how many smart contracts are deployed in this application. In the window right under, we can dive into a specific contract to learn more about the activity that happened within that smart contract. Now let's drill into smart contract number 6. Right under, you could see the entire smart contract state history. The state history is the history of state changes throughout the entire smart contract lifecycle. You could see that the smart contract has been created, the coffee beans were in transit, and the shipment is complete and acceptable based on the parameters of our smart contract. Over to the left, you can see the main window that shows the smart contract action history. This will show you a list of all transactions across the blockchain network. Since the coffee application and smart contract 6 is selected, we are only looking at these specific smart contract actions. The column headers will help you visualize the blockchain application name, which smart contract the action happened within, the timestamp of the smart contract action, the smart contract input type. For example, in this coffee application, we're gathering inputs regarding humidity, temperature, latitude, longitude, the party transferred, RFID devices, etc. The parameter value. The parameter value shows you the value of that specific input type. For example, if we scroll down to the bottom of the smart contract 6 activity history, you could see that the user defined the min and max humidity and temperature for this coffee shipment. We loaded in our device, provided a description for the shipment, assigned the RFID and QR code, then transfer the shipment to another party. And the longitude and latitude of the shipment, along with the humidity and temperature, are being tracked and written to the blockchain ledger. You'll also see a transaction hash. A transaction hash is a unique and encrypted identification of the smart contract transaction. You'll also notice a reference to which block number this smart contract action happened in, and also you'll see what blockchain ledger this information is stored in. The fourth screen will be similar to what you may already experience with regards to a typical blockchain explorer. Similar to the previous screens, you can explore by blockchain application and by smart contract ID. The Blockchain Explorer provides headers to help you visualize the block number, the blockchain application, the block timestamp, the block hash. A block hash is a unique and encrypted identifier that represents all transactions in a given specified block. Transactions from and transactions to, which is a unique and encrypted identifier of who or what, remember, it could be a device in this particular example, that initiated and received the transaction. You'll also see a transaction hash, and also which blockchain ledger this information is stored in. We hope that you will find this solution helpful, and let us know if you have any comments or questions. Thanks.